Hello everyone, it is December 2021. It is the holiday season, the gift giving season, and I am so excited today because I get to do a giveaway. I have done very few giveaways. I can count on one hand the number that I have done. It has to be something very special and something that I know that at least some of you will be as excited about as I am. Now you all know I love Vera Bradley. I've talked about them before on the channel. I've been using their bags, blankets, masks, and products for a while. They're really good quality and really cute, and I just really like them. But now Vera Bradley is launching a Peanuts line. So if you like Snoopy, Charlie Brown, Peanuts, just all that specialness, I mean, who doesn't love like Charlie Brown Christmas special and all that good stuff, then this is gonna be the line for you. Not only for you, but I think these items are gonna make great gifts, but I actually have not seen what's in these boxes yet. I haven't touched them. I've left them in their pristine condition. They sent me one in a wrapped box, and then there's another one here in a not wrapped box, but I haven't opened them because I want to be just as surprised as you are. I saw a little sneak peek, so I know there are some very cute items in here that I am so excited about, but the best part of this is that I get to do a giveaway. One of you is going to win one of these items. Now, to enter the giveaway, that's going to be over on an Instagram post that is going to come out and coincide with this video. The video is going to be the unboxing and me showing you the products, and then the Instagram post will be where you enter the contest. It's just easier to do a giveaway, and it'll be a random comment picker that I use, so it's totally fair. I'll tell you all the rules over there, and somebody is going to win one of these wonderful things. And thank you so much to Vera Bradley for doing this with me, the unboxings and the giveaway. I'm just so excited. So one of these boxes is in the wrapping paper, and I don't want to rip this paper. It is so pretty, and it's got Snoopy and Woodstock on it, and candy canes, and Woodstock's wearing a little Santa hat, candy canes and Snoopy's dog bowl. Like, it's so cute. It's so cute. And the tag here says, "Merry everything and happy always." I love that. The second box is just a big giant box. It says Vera Bradley on it. It's overflowing. I've had to like put the one box on top to like hold it down, so I feel like something big and fluffy's in here. Let's sit this right here next to me, some of my little friend. I'm nervous to like rip the wrapping paper, so let's start with this and see what's in here. If you're like me and you love Vera Bradley, they have a store in Disney Springs, which I live pretty close to, so whenever I pop in, I always walk out with something or with an idea of something to get for myself or a gift for a loved one. I've gotten so many gifts for people in my life from that store and from the website. Some stuff that like wasn't in stock in the store, I was able to order, and you should be able to order this too on their website or visit your local Vera Bradley store. Let the unboxing commence. Okay, here we go. Oh, I love the inside of their gift boxes too. They have that classic Vera Bradley paisley pattern. It's so pretty. Okay, I see something big and fluffy. This looks like a robe. I am gonna scream at internally scream. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm screaming internally. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need you to look at this bag. This is so cute. It is a little round bag with a little handle. The zipper has these Vera Bradley kind of ribbons on them. This is so cute. So obviously it's filled with fluff, like any gift would be. Get out of here. And it has, so the inside is like this waterproof material, so you could put like makeup or products in here, anything that would get wet that you don't want to get wet. This is like a perfect little makeup bag. This is my new makeup bag. Yeah, that is it. So that's great. That is beautiful, the soft powder blue color, and look at how cute this is. Hold on. Look at the little puffs. These are like his hat, like they're little puffs. That is beautiful. Beautiful piece. Okay. Also, by the way, pay attention to the things I'm unboxing, because of what I'm going to ask you to do is help me pick the item that is going to be in the giveaway. You guys on YouTube are going to help me pick which item we're gonna give away, and whoever, like whichever item gets commented the most, like that's the item, like the makeup bag or the other things that I'm looking at, that's what will be the giveaway item, okay? So makeup bag is number 1. Number 2, oh my gosh, I am screaming. Look at these slippers. Are you kidding me? So everything is like they got that little fluff. Let's get that out of there. Everything is like the soft powder blue color. They're so cute, and they have the little puff balls too. And they're soft inside, like, oh, so soft. Okay, so slippers, item number 2. Item 3, comfy pajama pants and around the house lounging pants. So soft. They have this really cute holiday print on them, but like I would wear these all year round for sure. They have like these icicles on them, and they've got a little Snoopy and Woodstock. They're kind of like a Christmas sweater, like a holiday sweater. These are so cute. Okay, item number 3 is the holiday pants, super soft and velvety and plush. Okay, this next item I can already see. My phone just fell on the floor because I'm so excited. Okay, this, oh wow, this is like an item in an item. Okay, all right, now we're talking. So it's a set. It is a pajama lounge set. It is so soft. This is like a sweater, but like the softest sweater material. So this will be nice for like cold nights, cozy nights. This is beautiful. Okay, so that item is the pajama set. Next up is, this is huge. This is like huge, fluffy. This is what was making the box fluffy. I feel like this item's gonna get a lot of votes because this is what I would vote for. But I don't even know what's in the wrap box yet, so. But it's a robe. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, let's tie this up. Get classy here. Oh my goodness. This is velvety soft, but like also plush. Now, oh, just so you know, the item that the winner is gonna win isn't gonna be one of these. So it's not gonna be the one that I touched and wore. You're gonna get a fresh one that Vera Bradley is gonna send straight to you. Like, we'll do the giveaway, I'll talk to the winner, I'll get your information, send it to Vera Bradley, and they're gonna send you a fresh one. So, I know, because like I wouldn't put on one that I'd send to you, but look, oh my gosh, you guys. This is so soft. It's got this fluffy liner. I don't want to take it off. It's so comfortable. It's so nice. Okay, we're wearing this for the rest of the unboxing. The design is a holiday design. It's Snoopy and Woodstock again, his famous iconic doghouse. And he's just doing everything cute and adorable. He's like skiing and sledding, and there's even like a little skyliner monorail type of thing that Woodstock's riding. This is wonderful. Okay, I feel so luxurious right now. Now, it's time to move on to unwrapping this gift. I've always wanted to do this. No, it doesn't work. Okay, do I have to take the tag off first? Oh, Merry Everything and Happy Always, I love that. There we go. Can I just, yes. This is a velvety bow. It's so cute. This wrapping paper is gorgeous. It's got like snowflakes all over. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and slide that off. Am I gonna do like a rip, or am I gonna carefully? I think I'm gonna do a rip. Just, I don't want to rip it. It feels good though. Satisfying. Another big, beautiful Vera Bradley gift box here. What on earth could be in here? That's so cute. Get like a close-up look at it. Okay, let's open this puppy up. Okay, it's here now. I'm flanked by my gift boxes. Wow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what? Okay, this has the Vera Bradley bow. This is wrapped beautifully, by the way. Whoever wrapped this, mwah, 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 mwah. It's perfection, beautifully wrapped. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is a Woodstock connected to a stocking. Oh my goodness. A beautiful Peanuts stocking hung by the chimney with care. Don't really have a chimney here in Florida, but I will hang it somewhere. This is definitely getting hung up, and it's got Snoopy all over it. It's a beautiful pattern. Look at that. Yeah, gorgeous. And then it has a carabiner attached with a little Woodstock pouch. This pouch is gorgeous, and I would like hang this on my purse probably. And let's see inside. So it unzips and it, oh, it's so cute. Could probably hold like, I don't know, hand sanitizer, mask, keys, like something small that you want to attach to your bag. I love it. Okay, so item number 5 is the stocking, and it says Vera Bradley Peanuts on the back, and the Woodstock bag. That is ridiculously cute. Okay. This is gonna be a blanket. It's gonna be a blanket. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is gonna replace my generic holiday blanket back here. Wow. Oh, it's fluffy white on one side. See how fluffy. Look at that. And this beautiful print on the other side that has, and it's like textured too. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Honestly, this is all like beautiful, high quality stuff. I'm flabbergasted. And you can see Snoopy, Woodstock. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is all beautiful. Would make amazing gifts for anyone. I don't know how you guys are gonna help me decide which item to do for the giveaway because they're all so good. They're all so good. I don't know. And I need to decide quick too so I can get the gift to the winner. So first few hours of people who comment, I'm really counting on you because this needs to be done quick. Tell me which item you vote for. This blanket is huge though, by the way. Like, it's a really big blanket. Kind of just haphazardly put it up here, but it is so soft, and this is so soft, and it's all so soft. Just as a reminder of which items, I need you guys to let me know which you think I should do the giveaway for. We have the beautiful powder blue makeup bag. Honestly, this is gorgeous. We have the stocking with the Woodstock bag. Also, each of these on their own is gorgeous item, and they come together. The pajama set, super plush, super comfy, also loungewear to like lounge around and chill. This would make an amazing gift. The comfy, cozy slippers with the little puffballs on them and like a little bit of sparkle too. Oh, so pretty. The blanket. I feel like anybody would like the blanket, like anyone in your family who's ever heard of Peanuts. So many of us grew up watching Peanuts, and even the new generation has seen like Charlie Brown, Snoopy, Woodstock, Lucy, Linus, oh, all the characters, Sally. You just gotta love them. They're so like precious. Oh yeah, and the robe. The robe. I don't want to influence the vote or anything, but this robe is pretty luxurious. And I am gonna be wearing it all day now. All day. This is it. This is my life. While I'm editing this video, this is gonna be me. I don't type that much while I'm editing. I'm mostly moving the mouse really, and I feel like commands. And then I'll stop every once in a while and go, Sam, can you make me a cuppa? And he'll bring me a nice warm cup of tea, and it'll be great. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Not something that I do very often, and something that I would only do for something very special like this. This Peanuts line is gorgeous. I love it. I genuinely love all of this. I love Vera Bradley, and their products are just, again, really high quality and beautiful designs. The quality itself of the items, every item I have from them, I have bags from them from like ages ago. I don't even remember how long I've had them, and they still hold up, and they're washable. Like the soft bags are washable. And the designs, their designs, whether they're just original Vera Bradley designs or their collaborations like this with Peanuts, are always just top of the line. Gorgeous. And they have like a certain look and a certain feel about them. Like you could tell something is a Vera Bradley. So let me know your thoughts, please. I hope you enjoyed this cozy video. It's just something really fun that I wanted to do to give back and just have a little fun with you guys. These are my drums now. Very, very cozy little holiday video. Again, let me know. Also, I want to know who your favorite Peanuts character is. You know, I love Charlie Brown. I feel like he's like such an underdog. Of course, Snoopy's like always the star, But I feel like, gosh, poor Charlie Brown. But then he ends up saving the day a lot of the time. So he's like an underdog hero. I don't know. I love them all. They're all so adorable. That is it for today. More details about this line and where you can get it I will put in the description below, and make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because I post more like behind the scenes and in the moment stuff that's going on and special things like this. If there's any giveaway or anything like that, it'll be over there, and head over there and enter the giveaway. I am so excited to send one of these items to one of you. I can't wait to just see the results and like just send someone a present. And I hope I can do more things like this in the future. I do have some really fun plans for 2022, so stick around. And that's it for this fun unboxing video of the new Vera Bradley Peanuts line. That is, it is exquisite. So once again, I thank you all so much for joining me. I am sending you a ton of love. I'll see you for the next video. And until then, as always, stay enthused. Bye.